youngsters is about to be introduced, this time by Kaizer Chiefs. Mfundo Vilakazi is to be introduced. In fact, it's going to be a double change. Mori is making way, and it's young Mfundo Vilakazi that is going to replace him in his place. And Mfundo Vilakazi gets a big cheer. They like the youngsters. Maharmano gets it away. Frosler. Vilakazi. Frosler. That's a strange little passer from miscued a bit by his table, but manages to find his man. Now. Forward, Kaizer Chiefs. Look at that. Now, suddenly they have a bit of a spring in their step because the Chiefs, the two. Now, trying to pull the trigger there, Mfundo Vilakazi. Shot was blocked. Still Chiefs asking questions. Saile total at this stage of a PSL campaign ever. The referee's pocket here. There's frustration getting the better of Supersport United players. Celebrate a goal, I mean a win. 8 coming into this one, and they finally